Work all day and fuck all night! Take fucking action! Subscribe now! So number three, I think people need a purpose, right? People need a purpose. They need a reason to be. They need a reason to do things, right? And when your team believes that mission, that purpose, then they'll be motivated, they'll be driven, right? People do it for a reason. People do things for a reason, right? If you give them the purpose, the reason, and they believe in it, then they will be motivated, they'll be driven. And think about other great companies. What do they believe? Microsoft example. They want to put computers in every home and every business. That was their initial mission, right? That was the reason why they exist. Think about Elon Musk and Tesla. Their reason for existence is to, eliminate fossil fuel use because it's bad for the environment. It's putting CO2 into the atmosphere, and it's causing global warming, and Elon Musk wants to solve that huge problem by inventing electric cars and popularizing them and make them cheap enough so that everybody can buy them and use them, right? And that is their purpose. If you look at how Tesla and their business strategy, it's not about building super expensive cars. It's about building cars that people can afford, and so that they can have more electric cars on the market. And in fact, if you listen to what Elon Musk says, right, he's doing this not just to make money. He's doing this to also, to challenge the automotive industry. They want more car makers to make electric cars. He wants more competitors to make electric cars because he has a purpose, he has a mission. And if you think about, SpaceX, another one of his companies, right? He wants to move humanity to Mars because he wants humanity to be an interstellar, civilization. That is some big, ambitious, big vision stuff, right? So, they have very strong purpose and mission. And when you can articulate, when you can explain that mission and purpose to your team, to your employees, to your organization, then they will be motivated to, and they want to make it happen, and they will work hard, they'll work late into the night, they'll work on weekends, they will work for you and work with you to make things happen. So these are the things that I can recommend if you want to build a very purposeful, mission-driven, motivated team to accomplish great things.